Okay, let's rock out, y'all. So market opens in about 20 seconds here, y'all. 20 seconds. Let's get it. We open in about 20 seconds. So let's see. Now again, today the biggest thing is not trying to just rush into something, especially at open. Now QQQ did give this 3-bar here at open, but again, I'm not in a rush to take anything. I want to see how tech reacts to Microsoft earnings. I want to see how it reacts to Meta earnings. MU is completely out of there as well. This might be a buy the dip scenario. Now, like I said, Meta can see 750 today. Meta can see 750 today. So again, that is for my people with the bigger accounts. SPX looking like we might get this move to 7,000 here. So we'll just have to see. Microsoft here looking a lot weaker. Now, Microsoft, even though it triggered, again, you can look for the 15-minute orb on the entry side. If you have not had a chance to, I don't recommend just jumping into stuff right at open because you never really know what happens. But yeah, we're just kind of watching right now. I'm going to see how things look in the next like 15 minutes or so and then kind of go from there. Shout out to everybody here on the stream. If you guys are just coming in, drop a what's up down below in the chat. For my new members in TSA, you guys don't have to worry. I'm talking to the people who are here on TikTok and YouTube and Twitter. Okay, so we got QQQ retesting this VWAP level. Now, guys, one thing I don't do is try to, let's go, Eddie, 137% on the wake up. You cannot be mad at it. One thing I try not to do is try to take bounces off the VWAP. So just be careful with that. And let me actually make sure Meta's on the 5-minute right here. All right, so we got a massive rejection of that 743 level. Again, this is, did we not just go over this same level, y'all? We just went over the same exact level. So, you know, price, you want to just go look and see how it's reacting. MSTR ended up pulling back to about 154. I might look to average in if it pulls back to about 150. And then SPX does have a small gap to fill as well to the downside. You think I should hold, or TP only got one con? I would just move your contract to move your stop loss to 100%. That way you don't give back too much. Yeah, gold doesn't move much within intraday though. That's one of the biggest things. Carter, what's good, bro? Welcome in, man. I appreciate you tuning in from YouTube. Thanks, bro. So look at MU, got bought right back up. Like I said, a buy the dip scenario. Now this is just a liquidity grab, right? Just profit taking. What I want to take this entry right here, not necessarily. I would rather wait for the candle to print, but this might give you a 3-bar here. So we'll just have to see. We'll have to see. Like I said, I am in no rush to take anything today. I am in no rush. Made me a buck off AMD open. Let's go. IWM looks a lot weaker here. I want to see how this looks here. This actually wouldn't be a bad setup to take on IWM, especially with QQQ selling off. We also have this massive 3-bar here on the 1 hour. And this is also going into a gap fill for IWM. I actually might take this. I'm going to size in small on this though, on the, if I can get this entry. Let me see something real quick. Actually, I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait to that 260, 250 level just for confirmation. Even though we got SPX pulling back, Microsoft selling off, QQQ kind of pulling back. We got previous day lows here at 631.80. So definitely want to watch these levels. What strategy do you think is the easiest? I don't really know if there's one that's like the easiest. I think all of them have their own level of difficulty and complexity. I think you just got to really find the one that matches your personality. Let's go, Plum. I see you. I see you. Yeah, I'm gonna wait here, y'all. I don't wanna force anything. On God, you're back. Had to tap in, you know. All right, y'all. So look, QQQ is breaking this previous day low right here too. So just keep this in mind. Keep this in mind, y'all. Keep this in mind. So we want to see, hey, does QQQ respect this level, or does QQQ bounce, or does QQQ respect this level, or do we break through and fall? That's what ideally I want to see. Can you teach me? Keep tuning into these classes, into these streams, and you'll learn a lot. That's one thing that I can guarantee. Killing it this morning off gold. Let's go. Great job, TSA. Beautiful job. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, so we got a nice 3-bar here on the 5-minute across the board. This could potentially set up for a move lower for this gap fill at 629, 630. So it looks like QQQ might go for it. Are you on the 1 minute? No, we're on the 5-minute. We're on the 5-minute. I use Weeble as far as the platform I use. I use Weeble. Yeah, it looks like QQQ might go for this gap fill, y'all. I enter my trades on the 5-minute. I primarily watch the 1 hour, and we get all of our setups from the daily levels. This is iShares. iShares, what do you mean? Oh, you're talking about, this is a ETF. IWM. All right, so QQQ definitely has the relative strength today. You got Meta. Look at Meta rejecting that 743 level. Again, it's just levels on levels on levels. You just got to watch them. Yes, IWM is the Russell 2000. Damn, QQQ is out of there, bro. Right through previous day lows, straight to the gap fill. Let's see what happens here. Okay, cool. I do the 1 minute, but I've heard people are taking advantage of the 5-minute. May tap in. Yeah, definitely try out the 5-minute. 1 minute is just a little too much noise for me. I prefer not to get that much noise. Oh my goodness, bro. Did anybody take QQQ on that previous day low? Oh my lord. And there goes the gap fill. Let's see though. What indicators are you using? When we get the TikTok stream to 10,000 likes, I'll show them to you. You can screenshot them. Hey man, been dropping in for a bit now. I'm curious, do you help teach? Yes. I'm trading live with my group right now. I teach everything inside of TSA. Oh my God, bro. QQQ is out of there, bro. Sheesh. So notice how IWM is straight chop. Remember, those higher time frames tell you a picture of what the lower time frames could potentially do. No one caught QQQ. No one in TSA. That's crazy. I never trade in between gaps. Oh, that's crazy. Gaps are our #1 go-to. That is our #1 setup. Patience pays. Patience pays. It does. Sorry, I'm a noob. TSA stands for the School of Threaded Arts. School of Threaded Arts. You said wait 30 minutes. I did. You're right. We just following our rules. I'm in QQQ 150 right now. Let's go, dub. Let's go. All of this looks a little sketchy to me. This all looks a little sketchy to me. I'm not gonna lie. We're gonna see though. Back at it again. Hope you good, man. Yo, Ricky, thanks, man. I appreciate you tuning in, boss. It's all love. We are back at it once again. Are you trading individual stocks right now? I'm looking for a move on the ETFs, but we do have Meta up right now, Microsoft, but I haven't taken any of these. It's just market just open. We had really big earnings during after hours yesterday, so I just want to see how the market reacts. Like right now, it's a lot of profit taking. And a lot of indecisiveness right now, at least from what I can tell here. So IWM, huge flip here. We got a 3-bar on the 30-minute here. Actually, let me switch these back to the 1 hour. So you got a 3-bar on the 1 hour. Here on QQQ, I'm gonna switch all of these back. I forgot I had these on here because of FOMC. So IWM is just now triggering our entry at that 264.80 level, but again, I'm gonna wait for the 30-minute orb just to see how this candle prints. So you have a 30-minute rule. So in days like today where there's a lot of volatility, on days like today where you have a lot of volatility, is my stream lagging? For those of you guys on TikTok, let me check. So like I said, on days like this with a lot of volatility, where there's a lot of earnings, you want to be a little bit more careful. There's a slight lag. I think because I have so many. Hold on, let me see something. Let me close a lot of these out. I have so many tabs open, man. Hold on, y'all. Let me close out some more of these tabs. And then two, it might be this. I have all of these videos. Ask me how did it feel. Yeah, I got a bunch of videos I need to throw away. Okay, that should help a little bit though. Let me know if that helps, guys. Yeah, that should help. Okay, let's see here. All right, QQQ is out of there, bro. So we just lost 630. This 1 hour candle, could get bad. This could definitely get bad. IWM could be rejecting 265 being a round number. Yeah, we'll have to see how it moves. I'm still not sold on this downside move, man. Good morning, guys. If you guys are just coming in on the stream, shout out to you guys coming in on TikTok, YouTube, everywhere. Shout out to y'all. Make sure you guys go ahead and hit the follow button if you haven't already. Get the stream to 10K likes. It helps the stream a ton. So if Microsoft and Meta already ran their ATR in one candle, should we look at them? Or it depends, because it can keep going. You know, that's the only thing about ATR. It's an average. So just because it ran its ATR doesn't mean it can't keep moving. Like this move on Meta is sick. Oh my goodness, bro. Whoo. Yeah, straight up profit taking right here. You got SPX coming back near previous day lows as well here at 69.63. This is a really key level you need to watch. If we lose this level, we could drop another 20 points. And we could see the market bleed, but we want to kind of see if this holds. You're lagging still. Oh my goodness. I don't know how to fix this. I might have to. Let me restart the stream. I'm gonna restart the stream, y'all. Hold on. Not for Discord. I'm gonna restart this for TikTok. Oh wait, it's working now. Okay, never mind. Hey, I'm new here. How do I start? I teach pretty much everything on YouTube for free. So if you wanted to start with like some free stuff, you can learn there. My group TSA is currently closed though, so I'm trading live with them. But we're currently closed. What's good, Miles? Hope all is well, bro. Hope all is well. Oh my gosh, bro. Look at IWM rejecting this 265. Tech sector getting hammered right now. Oh my goodness. SPX broke below that 69.60 level, so watch 69.50 next. Massive level next. Bro, the stream is lagging so bad, bro. Let me see something, man.